Do you vow that these are the hands of your best friend?
We do.
The most amazing, beautiful person I know.
Sinead and Gary, you were a great couple. Bring out the best in one another.
Do you vow that these are the hands of your best friend, young and strong and full of love for you, holding yours on your wedding day as you promise to love each other today, tomorrow, and forever?
We do. We do.
The most amazing, beautiful person I know. Why, really? Yeah. But, like, my best friend, and to be honest, I'd be lost now when I was only for her. She's always, to be honest, she organises my whole life for me, really. Look, she really is an amazing person, to be honest, and she means everything to me, and I can't wait for the rest of our life to get a date with her.
I, Gary,
take you, Sinead, to be my wife.
take you, Sinead, to be my wife.
And with this ring, I marry you
And with this ring, I marry you
and join my life to yours.
and join my life to yours.
Give it a push. There you go. I, Sinead, take you, Gary, to be my husband. And with this ring, I marry you and join my life to yours.
Sinead and Gary, you are a great couple. Bring out the best in one another. A match made in heaven, it is clear to see the love you have for each other.
I know whatever life throws at us, we'll get through it together, so I can't wait to see what the future holds for us. So ladies and gents, please raise your glasses and join me in a toast to my new husband, Gary.